Well, if you're ready to start the new year motivated to transform your messy home, these 5 New Year home organizing ideas are for you. I'm Shannon from Skip to My Life, and if you love to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget, you have come to the right place. Well, I don't know about you, but I am so over buying the latest and greatest cleaning products and having cluttered and overflowing cupboards with all kinds of different things that are supposed to make my house cleaner and brighter. So one of the things I am really going to get down to this year is simplifying my cleaning products and simplifying my cleaning routine. And I'm using 2 items that I'm going to show you and link to below. One is the Shark Steam Mop. Both the products I'm showing you are going to use just distilled water in the place of all of those cleaning chemicals and products. So with the Shark Steam Mop, what you'll do is add distilled water to the chamber and then pump the handle until the steam is released. Once you have finished cleaning your floor, you just remove that mop head and toss it in the washing machine. Now, the other feature I love about this product is that it's really easy to store in our small space. The second item I'm using more of this year is this Bissell handheld steamer. Now this is going to just use distilled water to take the place of a lot of harsh chemicals, and especially cleaning off that waterproof mascara on my sink. It just wiped off with a microfiber cloth. The scraping attachment works really well for hard water stains, but my favorite application for using this hand steamer is on windows. I used to use lots of sprays and chemicals to clean my glass, and now I can just steam them and wipe them off with a microfiber cloth. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by any company. I am just simply letting you know some of the things that I am really cutting back on this year, and one of those is lots of cleaning chemicals. Well, in a recent poll that I conducted, about half of you told me that you still had some Christmas decorations to put up, but never fear, Bella found this last little Christmas ball and she has been playing with it all around the house. It's a great time to stock up on storage tubs if you're in need of those, but please don't get sidelined by thinking you have to make all your Christmas storage look Pinterest worthy like the pictures I'm showing you. I know that keeps so many of us stuck when we feel like our storage has to look like a magazine cover. And so I just want to remove that barrier for you by showing you my real life storage system. It's important that you label your tubs on 2 sides so that no matter which way they face, you can see the label. A handwritten note is just fine, and make sure to limit your tubs to the number that you really can fit in your space. This next New Year organizing idea is to make good habits really simple. Now for me, that started by getting a couple of fun tools, some dry erase markers, and a new calendar dry erase board. Writing it down on the calendar really helps me keep my goals, and some of those goals have to do with working out. So I created this little workout station right by where we sit down to watch TV. It's very simple. I covered a board with some gold wrapping paper to just protect that shelf, and I put only the essentials there so that I can see everything and reach it really easily. Keeping this area streamlined, I find, makes me come back and use it, especially during commercials when we're watching TV in the evening. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a great big welcome. Comment below and let me know which of these ideas you think you will be using in the new year. Well, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love the idea of what's called decanting, which just means eliminating packaging. And in the examples I'm showing you, you'll see how much more visually pleasing it is to take items out of boxes and put them into storage containers that really fit your space. To help with my nutrition and weight loss goals, I'll be drinking a lot more smoothies this year, and I wanted to make a little smoothie station, decanting some of these items to make them look just as inviting as junk food. Now, if you're concerned about the information on the packaging, you want to make sure to take a picture of that, copy it, or remove the label and keep it in a space where you know you can reference it frequently. Let me know what your New Year's goals are. I cannot wait to hear from all of you and see what you guys are thinking about the new year. Lily Butler commented and told me a wonderful idea. She said she has created a smoothie bar like this one, but she keeps all her overstock of chia and flaxseed in the refrigerator because it stays fresh much longer. So thank you for that tip, Lily. Well, I am getting back on the fitness and nutritional eating train, and if you all are wanting to get on that with me, I have a great resource for you. I will link below to the Hungry Girl cookbook that I got some of these smoothie recipes from, and I love that cookbook. But you don't have to limit your decanting to the kitchen. These New Year home organizing ideas are things you can use all around the house. If you watched my small laundry space reorganization, you saw how I decanted all of these items and spray painted the lid silver so that they all matched each other. They take up much less space, and now I can see exactly how much I have. I recently did a complete craft room and studio overhaul where I used these simple and inexpensive Walmart bookshelves as vertical storage, and I'm going to be featuring that later on, so stay tuned for that redo. I really love the way that it turned out, but it doubled my space because I stacked these on top of each other. I'm also using vertical storage on the wall as well as in my refrigerator with this little hanging caddy. One of my all-time favorite vertical storage hacks is using the wire shelves from Dollar Tree to double the space in my small pantry cupboard. Now I can see exactly where everything is, and I also know when something's missing and I need to purchase it. I've used those hidden vertical cupboards over my refrigerator as a 5-day emergency storage area, as well as these cloth bins all over my house. Don't forget, my friend, that today is not the end of your story, so keep going. Do not give up. Keep putting one foot in front of the other.